friends, welcome to Foodie Bites. Today we are making Sorakaya Garellu.
Firstly, blend green chili, ginger, garlic and jeera.
Peel and grate Sorakaya or bottle gourd like this. Now add small onion. You can add curry leaves also. Add rice flour, coriander powder, salt, turmeric, blended paste and nuvulu. Mix well and knead with water like chapati dough. Take a plastic sheet and apply oil on it. Make small size balls and tap it gently to get round shape. And do hole in middle. By making hole in middle, it will fry nicely. In a kadai, heat oil to deep fry. Now slowly leave in oil. Fry both sides to get golden color. And take it to paper towel. Repeat the process. You can fry 2 at a time. These Sorakaya Garellu can stay for 2 to 3 days. Crispy Sorakaya Garellu are ready. Enjoy them in snack time. Hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Foodie Bites.